Personalities in the news: Dayananda Saraswati, birth and founding of Arya Samaj, born on February 12, 1824 in Morabbi, Kathiawar, Gujarat. Founded Arya Samaj in 1875 to reform Hindu society, rejecting idol worship and promoting Vedic teachings. Philosophy and social reforms: opposed idolatry, ritualism, caste discrimination, child marriage, and untouchability, advocated women's education and upliftment of all sections of society, promoted monotheism, an idea that caste should be based on merit on not birth. He book Satya Prakash 1875 empathized returning to Vedic principles and countering religious conversations. Contributions to cow production: first published Gokaranandini 1881 against cattle shelter, established Gura Akashini Sabha 1882 for cow protection, arguing that cows were economically valuable. Influence and legacy: inspired leaders like Lokamanya Tilak, Lala Lajpati Rai, Swami Sahadanand. DAV schools were founded in his name to combine modern education with Vedic values. New Education Policy 2020 aligns with his vision and holistic education. Swami Saradanand and his contribution, follower of Dayananda Saraswati, born in 1856, called untouchability a curse and worked for Hindu unity. Wrote Hindu Sagatan analyzing Hindus' decline and advocating social reforms. Associated in 1926 for his efforts in social and religious reforms. Supreme Court and government recognition: Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan called him a maker of modern India. President Draupadi Murmu highlighted his influence on nationalist leaders. His teachings continue to shape social reforms movement in India today.